What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. And today we're checking out room 511 on deck 9. Let's come on in. So as we're walking in, it's a really nice room. Now we come to the right here, there is a ton of storage, a whole boatload of storage. And even if you forgot your hangers, we got hangers right here, right there and ready for all your dress clothes and all that stuff. It comes with a bunch of shelves for all of your clothes. It comes with a safe, and as you see, I already dropped some stuff in it. And that is the storage there. So not just this side, you got this side that you can hang all of your nice fancy clothes into it. Another shelf right up top here. Put your luggage down there. Luggage rack here. You can do so much in this little area there. All right, let's move on to the rest of the room. All right, guys, as I walk in the room, we got more storage on the left here. We got about 4 shelves there. You can put some food, some snacks, whatever you want to put there. Then if you keep going down here, there's 2 more shelves of storage that you can put whatever you want to put in there. Now, this is a nice little desk area. Use it as a good desk here. If you're typing to work, you could use that too. Now there's 3 prongs for charging your iPad, your phone, your computer, plugging in basically anything. Alright guys, now we're into the bathroom. It's not the most spacious bathroom, but it works. As myself, 5'11", in this bathroom, I got plenty of room. There's a shower here on the left. So this is the shower, and you guys wanted to see how big it was. I have a good amount of space being 5'11" in the shower. It's not the most spacious shower, but it works. You got the toilet, you have a bunch of new towels that they put in here, space on the bottom to put all your stuff in. There's more storage over here for all the other stuff you need. Great area. Alright guys, let's move on. So I do gotta say, this place has a boatload of storage, because we're gonna go back here. There is more storage cabinets here. There is also a mini fridge that you can see I've already filled up with my drinks. Mini fridge is super nice. We do got this nice flat screen TV here that you can move it so you can see at night in the bed or wherever you're gonna sit. You come over here. There's a nice couch, like a love seat type of couch for you to watch TV, do whatever you want to do. And then if you come on over here, this is a king size bed, and what we did figure it out is it does separate from the middle. It separates out to 2, just in case you're sharing it with another person or somebody like that. It has 2 little nightstands with 3 shelves each, top, bottom, middle. Has that on both sides. It also has your phone for guest services and anything you need. The nice other thing we have about this room is these lights can stay on and all the other lights can be off as reading lights and stuff like that. This room, I do gotta say, it isn't the biggest room, but anytime you're going to sleep or something like that and you turn up all the lights, this room will be dark. And when I mean dark, you could wake up and it could be like 3 a.m. and you wouldn't know. So this is the tour of the interior room on the Oasis of the Seas. Thanks guys, and we'll see you guys next time.